I was talking to one of my students this week about being self-employed and how difficult it can be to promote your services. We were wondering how useful it was to have a social media presence. After all, Instagram and other platforms are teeming with people offering similar services. So, how do you stand out from the crowd? What skill or experience sets you apart from the rest? In other words, what can give you the edge over your competitors? If you say something gives you an edge or gives you an edge on or over somebody, you mean you have a small advantage, a strong point that another similar person doesn't have. So, it's a very competitive field, but I'm hoping that my qualifications and experience will give me the edge in the job interview. Or, what you learn in this seminar can really give you an edge on the competition. And of course, teaching with the lexical approach gives you an edge over those teachers that still use a more traditional grammar-based approach.